Good morning, student. In this our course, that is the post-harvest technology of horticultural crops, today we are discussing about the scope and importance of fruits and vegetable preservation in India. So here is the scope of fruits and vegetable preservation, the availability of raw material, manpower, capital, lack of awareness, marketing facilities, transport facility, availability of container publicity, and the role of government. So first discussed about the availability of raw material. The India have a wide variety of fruits and vegetables cultivated in all over the area of India. Availability of fruits and vegetables is abundance in the season for processing industry. The fruits like mango, guava, banana, cashew nut, pineapple, then raw material availability in good quality to find a ready market in foreign country. The next is the manpower. The manpower easily available in India because of the large population. Skilled manpower supply is short in some trade. That's why productive is low. The proper training in factory, good working condition, and good wages would go a long way to increase the productivity. Then capital scope for the produce process product in a small scale unit which are required less capital. The government support available for the development of processing industry. The availability of subsidy for construction of processing unit. Then lack of awareness about the market for the preserved product, lack of technical knowledge to undertake processing themselves. Central government start different levels of training program for processing, preservation and canning. So scope for development of processing unit in our area. Then marketing facility, market availability to process product is huge. Then export, we have the export services for the marketing of the product. Then internet marketing is nowadays also available for the marketing of the processed product. Then marketing through TV, newspapers, this can be used. Use of the WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter and all the others in the digital media for the marketing. Then availability of container. Availability of a good container for the preservation product is a very important factor. The availability of good packaging materials for the storage, glass containers for the storage of the fermented product. Here is the container used for the cold storage. The role of government, establishment of community canning center. Then we have the very good training centers. Then research centers like CFET, CFTRI. Then national research stations. Then commercialize the product. So here is the importance of the fruits and vegetables preservation in India. So let us discuss the reduction in post-harvest losses. Use of the modern infrastructure machinery to reduce of loss in handling, packaging, transportation and storage. Then home scale preservation. Then use of the containers for storage to increase the shelf life and reduces the post-harvest losses. Use of the good quality packaging materials to reduces the losses by physical damage in transportation process. Then value addition. Preservation industry is the backbone of horticulture industry as it gives the value added by preparing various products from the fruits and vegetables. Then processing gives the extra income by adding the value for the new product development. The best overall indicator of the economic contribution of food processing to the food system is the value addition. Then contribution to the economy. This post-harvest technology gives the employment generation to the population. Then earning of the foreign exchange by exporting the processed product. It stabilizes the price by providing the remunerative price to the farmers. Then industrialization of the fruit growing belt. The improvement of the national GDP. Tools for the export earning. Export of processed product to earn valuable foreign exchange is major benefit of the processing industry. Example, Brazil is the largest exporter of the fruit juice, followed by Israel and the Philippines. The international trade in preserve unit and vegetable is constituted largely by juices, nectars, canned fruits, and the dehydrated vegetables. Then employment generation, as we discussed earlier about the these processing industry can generate the huge employment. Then waste utilization. The processing industry can convert even in waste from agriculture, horticulture sectors into the various value added product. Then outer cover of the fruit used to prepare the for cattle fodder. Stabilize the economy of processing unit by the sale of the waste product. The waste product transform into a number of valuable products, that is fodder for the cattle, manure preparation, etc. Thank you.